How to create a cover page in Microsoft Word. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, simply click on Insert, which is on top beside Home and Draw. In Insert, you'll find Cover Page. Below File and Home. In here, you'll find all these options. You can also add cover page from office.com or simply select anyone from here, which is built in. Simply click on that and you find cover page. You can also edit cover page by double clicking on the signs. And that's how to create a cover page in Microsoft Word. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.